How do you stay productive and focused while working from home?
I create a dedicated workspace free from distractions and set specific work hours to maintain focus. I also use productivity tools like task management apps to track my progress and break tasks into manageable steps. Regular breaks and clear communication with my team help me stay on track.
How do you manage your time and prioritize tasks when working remotely?
I use a combination of time blocking and task prioritization techniques. I start each day by reviewing my tasks, then rank them based on urgency and importance. I also set milestones for larger projects to ensure steady progress and communicate with my team to adjust priorities as needed.
What tools do you use to stay connected and collaborate with your team?
I'm comfortable using a variety of tools for communication and collaboration, such as Slack or Microsoft Teams for messaging, Zoom for video calls, and project management tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of tasks. I also make sure to schedule regular check-ins with my team to stay aligned on goals.
How do you ensure effective communication while working remotely?
I prioritize clarity in all communications, whether through email, chat, or video calls. I regularly check in with my team to ensure everyone is on the same page, and I make sure to document important decisions and updates in shared project tools. I'm also mindful of response times to maintain smooth workflows.
What do you do to avoid burnout when working from home?
I set clear boundaries between work and personal time. I schedule regular breaks, and I make sure to clock out at the end of the day to avoid overworking. I also incorporate exercise or short walks into my routine to refresh my mind and stay energized.
How do you handle technical issues or challenges while working remotely?
I have a basic understanding of troubleshooting common technical issues, and I know how to research solutions quickly if something unfamiliar arises. I also keep a list of key IT contacts and access to remote support tools. In case of any major disruptions, I always have a backup plan to minimize downtime, such as using a mobile hotspot or secondary device.
Can you describe your remote work setup?
I have a dedicated home office space with reliable internet, a comfortable desk, and a quiet environment where I can focus. I also use noise-canceling headphones during calls to ensure clear communication, and I have all the necessary tools and equipment to perform my job efficiently.
How do you handle feedback and collaboration when not working face-to-face?
I value open communication and constructive feedback. When working remotely, I make sure to ask clarifying questions and confirm expectations early on. I use tools like Google Docs or other collaborative platforms for real-time feedback, and I'm proactive about seeking input from my team to improve my work.
What are the biggest challenges you foresee in remote work, and how would you address them?
One challenge could be missing out on spontaneous interactions with colleagues, which can sometimes lead to feeling isolated. To address this, I make an effort to stay connected through regular team calls and informal check-ins. Another challenge could be communication delays, so I always aim to be responsive and clear in my updates.
Why do you think you'd be successful in a work-from-home role?
I have strong self-discipline and a proven track record of working independently. I'm highly organized and used to managing my own time and tasks. In previous roles, I've successfully balanced multiple projects and met deadlines without needing supervision, which I believe makes me a great fit for a remote role.